Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift store haul for you guys. So I recently went to Style Encore, which is similar to Plato's Closet if you're familiar with it, and I purchased a bag full of pieces. I think I spent $140. They had a 70% off sale, and so I picked up quite a few pieces. I didn't figure out exactly how much everything was, but I would say it was probably around $5 per item. Some of these pieces are for me, some are things I'm going to resell. Usually when I do pick up items, even for myself, I try to pick up things that I know that I could resell if I, kind of get sick of it or I want to switch out my wardrobe. So I'm just going to show you a few things. I did also stop at Plato's Closet, and they had 90% off their clearance, but it was really, really picked over. There was hardly anything left. I did get 2 pieces to resell. So I'm going to show you those first here at the beginning. First one is this Affliction women's lace-up top. It was $1.40. It's a size medium. Honestly, I don't normally pick up this brand very often, but for $1.40, I figure I can probably sell it for, $15 or $20. We'll see. This was $1.60. This is just a We the Free People slouchy top. This is actually I'm going to use as a project because I think there's a pen mark. So if I can't get that out, I will probably try to do some type of tie-dyeing with this summer. That is something that I enjoy doing. I bought a couple sweaters regular price at Style Encore that will probably end up being for myself. They are Barefoot Dreams, and they do feel like they've been washed and worn, but they're very soft. Barefoot Dreams is a really soft brand. This was $13, and these are over $100 sweaters originally. This one's like an ombre one. And I really just got these for myself. I'm probably going to end up using them kind of, not a robe, but kind of similar to a robe. I have a Barefoot Dreams robe that I got for my husband. One for Christmas or for my birthday. And I love it. It's awesome. Okay, so Driftwood is a brand that you may have heard of. This is just a pair of Driftwood jeans. I think these were probably around $5 or $6. And they're just a pair of cute, probably a little cropped jeans. This is Babaton, which if you've heard of it, these do have the original tag, which is awesome. I have heard of this brand. I don't think I've ever sold it. These are like a skinny straight dress pants. They're called the Sean pant. And so I picked these up, and they are new with tags. Most of these items I'm going to try to sell for $20 to $30 profit. This is a pair of Athleta pants. This is another tag. They're black and they're zip up ankle. I'll try to see if I can find the style and stuff online. Honestly, I shouldn't pick up pants because I don't do well with them. Pants do not sell well for me. This is a pair of Madewell corduroy pants, and I think these are high rise. Yeah, they're high rise. I might keep these for myself actually because I really like Madewell and they're my size. These are a pair of Eileen Fisher, brand new with tags. These are like a stretchy, kind of like a wide leg pant. They are a size extra small, but they have the original price tag of $118. Black wide leg pant, viscose jersey. So these are a really nice pant. They have pockets. Honestly, I don't like buying black items. They're really hard to photograph, but new with tags, I did pick it up. This is a Bowden dress, and I don't pick up all Bowden, but I picked this up because it's a really cute summer dress, and it's a great length, and it was new with tags. So I think it was $5.40 or something like that. And so I had to pick that. I picked these up. I think they might be like overpants. I'm not sure. They're size 4 petite. They are Athleta. They are an older Athleta. I might keep these for myself because these would be great to even wear over leggings in the winter time, like when you go to the gym, or I thought they're really interesting. They're like a white. This is cute. I've purchased this for myself. This is a Nike cropped sweatshirt. Nike. It's like a space dye yellowish green. It is really cute, and I like wearing high-waisted jeans and stuff, so I thought that was cute. This is an older, pretty old actually, Athleta tank top. I purchased this for myself too, because I really like Athleta. I also purchased this one for myself, and I have one similar to this already. And I purchased this one. These are all older styles. And this one. But it's summertime, and I like to work out. This I actually purchased to resell. It is an Athleta. It's brand new with tags. It's like a polo kind of. And it has the original tag. So that I am going to resell. I have two piles here. My stuff and resell stuff. Okay. I purchased these for myself too because I love Pilcro and the leather press. They're my size. And they are like a longer short. They're not like super short, and I don't like super short shorts. So I thought those would be great for the summer. Okay, this is an Eileen Fisher jacket. It's like a lightweight jacket. It is an older tag, but for $5 or $6, I did pick it up. So Eileen Fisher doesn't do as well as it used to, but I still like to get it. Now, this is actually a Free People dress. I think it was $6 or $7. It is like a... I'm getting a text. It ties. It's like a halter, and it's got like a peekaboo, and it's very long and has like these slits. I'll have to see if I can find. It has the original tag, which is awesome. So I might be able to look up a style number. It is a size small. I tend to get a lot of size small because I'm size small, so I tend to pick up a lot of small because I like to look in that. This is a wooden ships. I'll take this off. Show you guys. Wooden Ships does okay. I don't think it does as well as it used to. I would say this is kind of like a mustard yellow. Wooden Ships. And it was originally $20, so I think I paid $5.40 for it. And it's just like a lightweight knit. This I thought was awesome. It's so pretty. It is a halter dress. So you can wear this around your neck, or you could just tie it and wear it. So it's got like this, that. It is by Boston Proper. It's a size medium. I picked it up because Boston Proper, I think, is having a little bit of a resurgence. It does have a tag, so I will put new with tags. And it's a great summer dress, rainbow. That's something I'll put in the listing. It's really pretty. It's very lightweight. Okay, I got this, and it really reminded me of like a login look style. It is Eileen Fisher. You know, for $5 or $6, I really couldn't pass up some of these pieces, even though they don't do as well as they used to, and they don't move quite as fast. This is a really beautiful jacket. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a really, really nice material. And yeah, so I got that. So tonight I'm going to be photographing and listing, try to list out all this stuff. This I wouldn't get necessarily to resell. I don't know. They want $10. It is an Anthropologie knitted and knotted cardigan. I think I'm just going to keep it for myself because it's like lightweight, and I think that'd be great for the summertime. It's just gray, like 3/4 sleeve. I don't think I'd be able to sell it for a lot, but it was originally $10, so 70% off that. So it was like $3, so that's really cheap for something Anthropologie. Okay, last item is this, and this brand I don't pick up all the time unless it's really cheap because it doesn't sell very quickly for me. Sometimes I'll hold out with this stuff forever. But I do like the style of some of these pieces, and this particular dress I think is really in style because it's almost retro looking. It is Hannah Anderson, but it is this lightweight summer dress. Really reminds me of the 90s. It's midi, ankle length probably. And yeah, if I can find, I might be able to find the stock photo for this. It's not too hard to find the stock photos for Hannah Anderson. And I think that this will do well. So that's everything that I picked up at Style Encore. And then there's 2 items from Plato's Closet today. when I went thrifting. I do have a couple other hauls that I'm going to be getting together here quickly too for you guys, because the last couple of days I've been thrifting quite a bit. I don't have work this week, so since I don't have work, I have been out thrifting quite a bit. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you liked it. If you are interested in any of the pieces that you've seen in this haul, please check out my Poshmark closet, which I will have down in the description for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!